My name is Bonnie Adams, and I am a licensed legal paraprofessional for Robinson and Henry. The Colorado Licensed Legal Paraprofessional Program became what it is today because 70 to 80% of people going through the family court system are not represented by counsel. And what happens is those people wind up in a cycle of going through the court system, and it clogs up the court's dockets. They wind up with orders that don't work for them, and it basically just causes an inequity in people's access to legal guidance. The Licensed Legal Paraprofessional program allows people who can't afford an attorney or maybe can't afford a full representation attorney to have legal guidance at a lower financial cost to them, to hopefully alleviate that clogging of the court's docket or the court system, and to help people get through their new world and their new status quo in a manner that isn't as devastating to their family. They're not fighting back and forth all the time. And I think the biggest impact it's having right now is to help people understand the process so they don't run afoul of court deadlines or things they are required to do as part of their case. So I think right now the immediate impact is assisting clients in understanding the process more than they would if they did not have counsel at all. So as an LLP, I do have a limited scope of practice. I am able to assist clients with all of the forms the court requires, which is in and of itself a daunting process. I am able to assist, draft, and help clients file their sworn financial statements and disclosures that are required through the family court process. I am able to help them with allocations of parental responsibility, which is custody disputes for families going through a change of their living situation or their marital situation. And I am also able to sit with them in court and guide them through that process. The state of Colorado designed the LLP program with some limits in place because there really are some issues that a full attorney should be handling, because they are complex and they do require sometimes expert testimony. Things like large assets or financials that are significant. If you have a significant estate, or you need expert testimony to evaluate a business. Those are things that an LLP cannot represent a client for. In those instances, having this program through Robinson and Henry is a great tool, because here at Robinson and Henry, they have access to me, but I also have access to my team of attorneys to guide those clients in those situations where my scope of practice might be limited.